Understanding the phrase, bear trap. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, bear trap. If you've heard it and wondered about its meaning, or if you're simply curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. A bear trap is a device used by hunters to capture bears. Traditionally, it's made of metal and has large, toothed jaws that clamp shut when triggered. This would hold the bear in place until the hunter arrives. Important: this usage is now largely considered inhumane and outdated. Modern wildlife management prefers more humane methods to handle or relocate wildlife. In English, we often use words and phrases in metaphorical ways. The term, bear trap, is no exception. When people use bear trap figuratively, they're not talking about hunting bears. Instead, it can mean 1. A deceptive or hidden hazard. For example, if someone says, "That contract has a bear trap," they mean there's a hidden clause or condition that could cause problems. 2. Financial markets. In the world of stocks and trading, a bear trap refers to a false signal indicating that a decreasing trend in a stock or index has reversed and is heading upwards when, in fact, the security will continue to decline. Here are some examples to help you understand how to use bear trap in various contexts. 1. Be careful while hiking in this area. You might come across an old bear trap. 2. I almost accepted the offer, but my lawyer pointed out a bear trap in the agreement. 3. Many traders thought the stock was rebounding, but it turned out to be a bear trap, and they lost money. English is full of colorful and intriguing idioms like bear trap that enrich our language and make it more vibrant. Now that you know both its literal and figurative meanings, you can use bear trap confidently in your conversations. Keep exploring English, and remember that every phrase has a story. Hope this video was enlightening. See you in the next one.